Kijk, that was the chamoy.
That's horrible. That's horrible. Oh, that's sour. Woo! It's so. It tastes a bit like fake plastic. Ooh, but then I like it.
Just don't look at it for too long.
There's nothing. Big bite, small bite.
No, big bite. It burns a lot.
Oh.
Run down.
That one. Okay. Okay. So that one was like out of 10.
Yeah.
Like a -2. The sour one, I'll give a 6.
Yeah, okay.
Hot mama. She's not that hot. I'll give it a 4.
Okay. Dylan's the sour one first.
I hate pickles. I hate pickles.
Hot mama next.
So kots. Tastes like bitch. Nee,
Big bite.
not. Die haring is sappig, bro. Haring brand. Holy shit. Nee. Ek's ernstig, haring brand. Soos brand actually. Tastes like medicine. This one, -50 because I hate pickles. The red one especially -100,000 because I hate burning things.
And it's a pickle.
And it's a pickle. Number 2 is this thing.
Should never have been created.
Never, ever, 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 ever.